Hey, what's up? I'm in my car outside of Walmart, and this video is how to make money buying things at Walmart and selling them online on eBay or Amazon.
Alright, here we are in the clearance aisle of Walmart. We've got some candles and little wax melts there. Looks like here some cell phone cases, some little games, a purse, some fertilizer. Not much so far. Let's take a look on the right side, and those are some fidget spinners. We want to stay away far away from those. Some pillows. Okay, here's a sesame thing. That looks good. Let's check that. Nope, not gonna work this time, but a good idea. That didn't work too well. What else do we have here? We've got some Son of Zorn toys in a Lego Ninjago box. Let's look these two up and see if we have winners. That's not a winner. We're losing money on that one if we bought it. And now, ooh, looks like 0 for 3 so far. Not looking good. Okay, we're gonna put down those as fast as possible. Now look over here. We've got some schnooks. We'll look those up, and then a bunch of them. So we'll see. Maybe one of these is winners. No, that's losing money. And then on this one, yes, again, these are both losers. This might be a bust. Yeah, put those schnooks trashed. Ooh, wait a minute. Puzzles and some more Funko vinyl toys. I need this. I need some money. Oh, no. Nope. Dang. Whoa! Wait a minute. $10. $10 profit on 5 investment? I like how that looks. We're going to keep this one, put it in the box. We're going to buy all of those of that same design, but it looks like there's a few designs here. It's not just dinosaurs. There's also nativity scenes and Christmas around the world and Atlantis, and so I'm going to scan these now and see if they're all as profitable as the first puzzle. Okay, no, that's not. I'm not going to do that. That's not a risk I want to take. But this one, hey, 12 bucks off of 5 bucks. That's my kind of business. We're going to buy the ones that make us money and leave the ones that don't. It looks like there's more, so we'll scan these. No, not money there. Yeah, maybe. That's on the cusp. No, none of these. And moving on, looking around here, got some small little toys and just like accessories, but they're all priced too high. I can tell already. These are not money makers. They're just not priced low enough. Around here, more stuff. It's not gonna work. On the left though, right here, we have some Tonka trucks for 10 bucks. We'll scan these, see if these can make us some money. Ooh, no, even at $5, those are losers. Man, this is not looking good. So ignore those Tonka trucks. Those are all garbage. Let's look on this side now. See if we have anything. It's some beauty shaving products, some stuff I can't FBA like paint thinner, a remote. Remotes can sometimes be good. This one, however, is not good. We're not gonna buy it. Put it back. Let's see what else. These flags could be money makers, but I'm kind of concerned if this brand sells. So here's the Keepa data, and yeah, it looks like there are some sales on here. It's gonna move. I'll buy a few of them. I'm not gonna buy all of them. I'll buy like 4, I guess. 3 or 4. And, you know, see if I can make a little money off those. It really isn't like a huge money maker, but I'm here. They're cheap. Why not? Ooh, video games right here. 3 consoles. I hope one of these is worth money. I know the Imaginators are not always. Ooh, yeah, here we go. No, nope, losing money. And finally, let me guess. Yep, losing money. All 3 of those are duds. Flags over video games, I guess, right? More shampoo. This is what I have so far. Not the best, but we're still going to a few more places in the Walmart and scan other items besides clearance items that we have here. I don't usually buy the big stuff like this down here, like that Cuisinart or Cuisinart, however you say it. It's for like 140 bucks, 180 bucks. Ooh, yeah, no way. Definitely not buying that now. That would be a huge loss of money. Some walkie-talkies. Let's scan these. Sometimes you get lucky on these, sometimes you don't. They could be profitable, so could this here. The walkie-talkies, nope, losing $1. And then, ooh, hey, that's a moneymaker. All right, 15 bucks into 30. Cool, I'll take it. Anything else here? I don't think so. I think, yeah, this is all just kind of stuff I don't want to FBA or even sell at all. Look this thing up. This is a weird little, nope. Not making money on there. It's priced too high, but it's kind of a good thing to look for. If it was cheaper, I'd buy it, but at 50 bucks, no, not doing that. Ooh, a little Ryobi hand tool. This could be good. Yes, all right. 21 into 37, and it's pretty low sales rank too. So I'm gonna buy this. It's not the biggest, ROI percentage-wise, but it's 17 or 16 bucks that I'll make pretty quickly and pretty easily. So you can't complain about that. Let's go somewhere else now though. Let's see what we have in this. This is like the sporting goods section. They have some clearance things splattered throughout the store. So I'll check some of these golf balls here. Some clearance golf balls. It's almost summer. This could be a money maker. And at 17 bucks, ooh, no, yikes, no way. We'd be losing $5 or $4 each time. So let's not worry about that just yet. Alright, if you've watched my videos, you know I love selling Walmart soap. These are very cheap. The trick is finding the ones that weigh less than a pound shipped. So 8 ounces. This is because we're going to save a lot of money on our FBA fees. If it's under a pound, your fulfillment comes out to be like around $3, the entire fees for that. So we're going to look this up and see, okay, this one right here is losing money, unfortunately. But if you go over here to the Dawn soap, I'm going to put the price into it's 97 cents. And we're going to see exactly how much this little trial or travel size soap, whatever it is, maybe for a vacation home, how much it will sell for and how much it'll cost bit by bit, broken down all the aspects of FBA fees. Here's the price. You can see at 97 cents, we're making about a quarter. Not the best, but and this is the way the price breakdown goes. So $1 FBA handling fee, $1.60 fulfillment fee, 30 cents my inbound shipping, $1 Amazon commission, and then the buy cost is 97 cents. So you can see we're only looking at, what is that? $3.06 fees, and then the 30 cents is just what I have. I mean, honestly, we're probably only going to cost about 10 cents to ship this, so we're looking more at about 45-cent profit. Either way, the math works out. Okay, so I want to look at this soap now. This is a different Ajax soap. It's a bit heavier, and I want to show you how on a larger item the FBA fees break down so you can understand the difference I just tried to make prior to this. As you can see, this soap is making a little bit of money, but when we break down the costs, you say, oh wow, a $4.18 fulfillment fee. That's pretty crazy. Plus $1 commission. And that really illustrates, I think, pretty effectively why selling these small soaps makes us money. But if you get a soap even just 3 ounces heavier, it begins to negate that kind of little Amazon hack that we've found out. These Kleenexes right here kind of fit the mold as to like a small, low-weight personal use item. So let's scan this and see. I haven't scanned it before. I'm not sure, but I have a hunch it might be a money maker. Yeah, it is making money. We're almost doubling our investment, but at 250K sales rank, I just don't really think that many of those are going to move. It really is not worth my time because I'm only buying like 2 of those. So I'm going to put this back, and then in a second we're going to walk over to grocery because I know for a fact our next item is definitely going to make me some money. And it's it's the Super Mario cereal right here. You might have seen this on Instagram, people posting bolos buy this. It's at my Walmart, so I'm definitely going to buy all these boxes. And here's how the pricing breaks down. FBAing, you're making about $350, $250 investment. There are more cereals too that you can sell. Here's Thin Mints, here's a donut shop cereal. Anything that seems weird and unique. That's my rule of thumb. I'm going to scan all that weird stuff and we're going to see, oh, yep, Girl Scouts is definitely making money. $4.06 and a decent sales rank too. How about this? Lucky Charms Frosted Flakes. That's pretty peculiar. I've never seen that before. Only one left. Yeah, let's pick it up and give it a scan. Ooh, hey, yeah, 260 off 360, very low sales rank too, so I feel good about that. Generally in food, anything under 100,000 I feel good about flipping, but as you can see here, these last two cereals, while pretty profitable, are such a high sales rank, especially because cereal is perishable, and generally on these kind of items, you're gonna only have like a 6 to 8 month run time before it expires. I just am not gonna take the risk. But, you know, 25,000, 50,000, 12,000. I know for a fact that 12,000 is going to sell about 5 to 10 items a day. And then 50,000 is about, you know, one a day, one every 2 days. And those are numbers that I'm comfortable with, especially because I know that they're limited edition items. And so even if they don't sell right away, as the stock goes out in grocery stores, it'll sell better on Amazon for sure.
Back in my car, spent a total of $171. I should have brought my reseller certificate, would have got that tax taken away, but I forgot it at home, so I had to pay it, but still, $171.65, and I should double my money. Most of these items, barring these two, the screwdriver and the CF card, are all gonna close to or more than double my money, and so should get around $350 out of this. Thanks for watching the video. If you like making money like this or in other cool ways, I encourage you, subscribe. I do this all the time, and there are a lot of people who've made a bunch of money. You could be one too.